There lived a great master in India. His name is Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, master of Swami Vivekananda. When he was making satsang to his devotees and disciples in early days, there appeared a disciple. He told Ramakrishna, "My wife is torturing me every day and she wants to stop me to come to you. My wife says I am a beautiful lady, young girl, I can give all the pleasures of the world to you. What you have found in the old fellow is already 60 plus. Why do you go to him?" That was the wife's complaint. What do you see in that old fellow who is an illiterate? He is not attractive even. He doesn't even shave every day. With all hard hairs on his face. Seldom he goes for a shower. He is not changing the clothes every day. What do you see in that old man? Why do you go to him every day in the evening? You are leaving everything at home, you are running to that fellow. If you continue to go like this to this old man, probably we may have to separate. Or I will commit suicide. It really happened. You can read in the history of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, he and his disciples. Ramakrishna smiled at the man and he said, "I am proud of you. You are intelligent. In spite of," this is another kind of obstacle. The obstacle may come in any form. This time in wife form. Tomorrow may be another form. So Ramakrishna looked at him and laughed. He said, "I am proud of you. You are intelligent to seek God, to seek the experience, the divinity. You are worried about your wife saying about suicidal attempt." Ramakrishna said, "Those who say they will not do it, don't worry. Please come to visit me. Don't stop coming." The disciple told him, in case he commits suicide, Ramakrishna said, "No problem, she will come back in the next life." Don't worry. But if you miss the opportunity of forgetting this life, you may not remember seeking in the next life. You remember this life, the divine. Don't miss it. But for her there is an opportunity. Definitely she will come back in the next life. But for you, you may seek in the next life, you may not seek in the next life if you miss this life. That is the importance of seeking, searching, realizing. There may be some threatenings. I have seen examples. Members in the family, they used to say to the seeker, "We will cut short the financial support to you. We will not give any packet money for you." What will you do? If you stop meditating, we will give you money. Conditioning. We are all very brave people sitting here. Brave in the sense we are not going to bother about all the obstacles. We have decided to be here. Not only to be here, also to go very deep into the experience. So let's not worry about the obstacles that are on the way. They will disappear. The people who are creating obstacles, one point of time they will realize the importance of seeking through you. They will seek your help in one point of time. They may ask you, come on, initiate me for meditation. The day will come.